Hello friends, how are you? I hope you'll be well friends. So friends, today is the linked list again. So problem is delete a node in a single linked list, right? So let's get started friends. Today we will solve this one problem and also I will be explain each and every point how can you will be solved, right? So I'm going to explain the question firstly. Given a single linked list and integer x delete xth node from the singly linked list. It means x has a given already and x is the given number, the position of that element, right? So you can see here the third one element is 4, right? So that's why after remove this 4, what will remain? 1 and 3. So that's one we are returning, right? And also and again you will see here second one is the position number x is 2, right? It means second position will be remove, right? 1 2, it means the second one, so second one we will return. So after then what will remain? 1 2 and 9. So that one will return the answer, right? So friends, I want to explain in the briefly way and also I want to explain how should be the approach for the solving this equation, right? So I'm copying it and I'm going to the paste here. Okay friends, so you can see here already is given the 3, right? So it's very easily to identify it, right? So what should be the approach for the solving, right? So it's mean a when each operation, right? 1 3 and 4, right? Each operation you can see here the count we are counting, right? And it's mean each time it's mean already given here the x is equals to 3 already given here, right? So I want, so our the program should be the run, it's mean from n, sorry, x minus 1, right? You can I'm drawing here for example here each is connected, right? For example 1 is here, 3 is here and 4 is here, right? And here is the references r and r and r, right? You can see that next, right? This one is your first node. Okay, so friends, I want to explain each and every point, right? So that's why it may be video, it will be long, but your concept should be the clear, right? If you are a beginner, so don't worry, you can be solved, but focus on that explanation, right? Because when that like question will become again in the future, so you can be solve it, right? So friends, you can see here that this references here, this node has already references has a store here, right? And also uh, second one node is there, already has information has stored this node, right? So already here, so you can see here the operation is 1 2 3, right? And uh, and our motive is to delete the x, right? So x times, it's mean you can see here the we are pointing to 3. So you need to the our the operation should be perform x minus 1, it's mean only 2 till the 2, it's mean only operation we will perform this, right? I'm going to draw the next operation like 5, right? Our x is what? Our x is 2, fine. So I'm writing here the 1 2 3 4 5, right? So you can see here the very easily friends, it means our x is equals to 2 point, right? So here it will be through, right? It means this pointer it will be set to the this pointer, right? Like this, like head, it means this node head, right? Head, this head dot next, dot next, and after then node dot next. Before in the previous video, friends, we are solving within a 2 3 days that like of the problem. Here the head, not here the we will be solved with the help of node, right? Because this is our node, right? This is our first node, second node, third node, fourth node, fifth node, right? So node next has already information of this element, right? And I want to the this information should be the change, and I want to the this information should be the store this one, right? How it can be possible? Because you know the already 6 have information about the 8. You know already that like, right? So you know the very well, already 6 node is mean second node was there, already information have the 8 one, right? Third one node, right? So I want to the point this is the node dot next. This one is the node and this one is the node next. So node next, right? And also I want to the point this one. So this one is the node next, right? I hope you are understanding. This one is a node, right? Node next to next. It means that this one is the node, right? And we are pointing to next node. You can see here. I'm drawing again, right? I have already drawn the upper side, so you can. Yes, I'm drawing again, right? You will be understand, friends. Your problem should be the doubt. There should not be any doubt, single doubt, right? Here the references, right? R, right? And 5 6 8 9 2 6 8 2 9. Fine, friends. So you know the very well, friends. Our node is here, right? This when we want to point this one. So how can we node dot next, right? If I will point this one, it means we are also pointing to this one, right? It means this one and this one is both are the equal. So friends, this is the both are the same, right? So that like, friends, this one has already stored the this address, and this r has stored the this node references. So how can we write this one? So this one is a node next, right? This one is a node and this one is a next node next, right? And after that I want to point to this one. So node next, it's mean already pointing here. And if x is 1, so we will head head, because direct, because already has head we have received, so we will return this head next, right? So and after that we will check the 2, right? It's mean we are one by one. I'm do backing off, sorry, right? So you can see here the friends is the directly it will be point this one node, and after then this one node, and after then this one node, right? So is so so should be the x is equals to what? X is equals to what we have decided. For example, 2 we have already decided, right? So here we will go the one by one. So our count, it will be start from here 1 2, right? So we will iterate our the only first step, and after that we will return the all remain, right? And again, if our the 2 is here, right? So what is the index? 1 2 3 4 4 for example 4, right? Index number 4, so index number not uh, fourth position, right? Fourth position, we want to the delete, right? So first step is this one, second this one, third one this one, and fourth one this one, right? So I want to one thing friends, I want to this one it will be removed from this linked list, and we want to join this node to this node, right? How it can be possible friends? We will start from here to as given here the x, right? Right, our node is just started from here, right? So when it will go on the first step, so it will be subtract minus 1, it means it will be 3, it means x minus minus, right? And after that again this will be go here, so it will be again our x it will be 2, right? So because how it can be, because each step we are subtracting the uh, by 1, right? And again we will go to at this position, but we do not want, so at the place of we will return the this one value, and at that time we are pointing to this one point, right? It's been we are always to remember these things. When our x it will be 2, right? When our x it will be 2, so that time we need to do escape that one value, it's mean we are delete that one value, right? So I hope you will be understand, but better will understand when I will write the program, so that time. Okay, so I'm writing here the program. First of all, we need to the remove the, if our x is 1, right? So that time we will return the that value, return head, right? Head dot next, fine. And the second one, I'm storing the head inside the node, head, right? Fine. And here friends I'm writing here while, yes, I'm going to write here the while in condition is node dot next not equals to null. If that one it will be not null, right? Why it not null, it mean is there the next value is presented. Why this is a not null, it mean next value is presented, right? So that's why if value is presented, so I want to the check it, right? If x is equals to 2, fine. How? I have already told you friends, we are x is equals to 2, after then we are escaping this the value, it's been deleting this one the value, and to pointing to next one, so that like that's why I'm here the checking. And also in the blue of the if we will x minus minus, fine. And after the inside the x inside the this block, we want to the node dot next, right? And here the node dot next, fine. And after this one perform break, break, right? We will solve out the problem. And after then here our all the node it will be node dot next, it will be all assigned here. Okay friends, and I'm going to the return the head, fine. Let's see the result. Wait a second friends, where I'm doing mistake. Head, sorry, here we are pointing to node, right? Because we are using the node dot next node, we are returning here head. Okay, fine. Yes, you can see here the friends our the compilation has completed, right? So I'm going to submit it. Let's see the result. Yes friends, it has completed. Okay, I hope you will be understand friends. It, if you have any issue and if you have a better solution for So definitely you suggest us, and any you want to suggestion, so definitely you suggest me. So thanks for this watching video.